Hi everyone. I don't typically like to be out. I'm never out of school, but today was unexpected. So I wanted to get you started on the project even though I'm not here. Um, but I figured the video would be a good way to explain what you need to do just for today's class to get you started. We will be back in action on Thursday, and please feel free to ask any questions at that time. I will also be meeting with each group or individual separately to do like a mini conference just to see where you all are in terms of your career cluster and where you are with your research. So don't worry if you get a little bit confused, although I think it's pretty clear cut and pretty laid out, but because we can talk about it on Thursday, that's not a problem. Like I said, I wasn't anticipating being out today, but nevertheless I am, and I want to just try to get you started in the best way I can from a distance. So what you'll notice here, these are your 16 career clusters. At this point in time, you should be fairly familiar with them based on the survey that we had to do yesterday and the presentation that we had last week. So although you may not be able to rattle them off the top of your head, you at least have some exposure to them. And what we are going to do today is you are going to select one of these career clusters in which to research. You may do it independently or you may do it with a partner. This is not a small group project, so you cannot have more than two people. It may only be one person, you working independently, or you and a partner, and you have to be researching the same career cluster. So that's going to be really important. Once you have decided that, I have a Google form that I am going to show you that I would like you to fill out so that I have that information. This is the um, this is the Google form that I would like you to fill out. It is located on the Google Classroom. You're going to see I want your first and last name. Please make sure you have both. Are you working with a partner? You must be researching the same career cluster, yes or no. If it's yes, what is your partner's first and last name? If no, you can skip that question and go to the next one. And the next one is just simply telling me what career cluster you're going to research. Yes, I would like every single person to complete this form. That way I can match up the partners and so forth. So please, everyone in the class, I do ask that you complete this Google form. The next step is going to be to explore some resources. Every resource that you need is located in the project sheet. You'll see them listed here. You do not, and I do not want you to go to any other website. These are the only resources that I would like you to use. I don't want to see any Google searches or anything like that. Everything that you need and all the information that you need to find for your research for your specific career cluster is located in these 5 sites. You'll be able to find everything. I have vetted them for you. I know that they are credible sites. So I ask that you not use anything but these 5 websites for your research. The next step is to obviously do your research. So you'll need to read through the information on those websites. This is your graphic organizer. This is where you're going to be putting your research. It can be in bullet form, it can be in sentence form, whatever is more comfortable for you. The one thing I will say, it must be in your own words. Okay, so you're going to read the research and then place it into your own words on this graphic organizer. There absolutely is no copying and pasting, period. So you'll notice on the left-hand side, those are the elements to research. So you have the cluster. Give me a brief overview of the cluster, the different pathways that are connected to it, the occupations that are connected to the pathways, employment growth, median annual wage, education requirements, and skills and interests needed. So those 5 sites that I showed you on the previous slide will answer each and every one of those questions. So the evidence goes in that center column. Again, it can be bulleted or it can be in sentences, whatever you're more comfortable with. What it cannot be is copy and pasting. The third column over in the far right, this is which element is, are you responsible for and which your partner is responsible for. If it is just you and you're working by yourself, you don't have to complete that because you're going to be responsible for all of it. What I will tell you is that each person, if you are in a partner group, has to complete this document. So each one of you has to submit a completed research page to me. Okay? So you both have to be doing research. You can work together. You can find the research together. You can talk about it. I highly encourage that. But each one of you must submit the research to the Google Classroom. And I'm not looking for that until the end of the week. If you would like to hear the other video about the whole project and what it's going to look like all together, then there is a video link on the learning plan in section 4, so feel free to watch that. We're not quite there yet. I would like to explain that in person with you guys, so if you want to hold off on that, that's okay too. But what I'd like you to do just for today's class is to decide whether you're working independently or with a partner. I want you to select your career cluster. I'd like you to complete the Google form, and I would like you to start wading through those websites, reading through the information, and gathering the research. Again, I will be meeting with each of you on Thursday to kind of go over your research thus far and give you some feedback. And if you have any questions throughout the process, just hang on to them until Thursday, and I'll be happy to answer them at that time. Thank you for your patience. Again, I didn't anticipate being out today, but you guys are more than capable of getting this done. So I will see you on Thursday. Thank you so much.